ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं
दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं
अनवद्यं
च
च सूत्रं
सूत्रं
सूत्रविदो
सूत्रविदो विदुः।
ऐवन्
ऐवुन्न
ऋलृक्
ऋलृक्
ऋलक्
ये ओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐऔच्
अयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
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 ञमङणनम्
ञमङणनम्
झभै
झभै
घटधश्
घडधश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश
खफचटथ छटतौ
खफछठथौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति
माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां
कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां
तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋटुरसानां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपूपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्टौ
उपपध्मानीयानाम्
ओष्ठौ
ञमङणनानां नासिका च
नामाकर्णनानां
नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
वेदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोः कण्ठौष्ठम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठोष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तौष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे।
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे।
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमो रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामेणापि हता
निशाचरचमूः
निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति
नास्ति
परायणं
परायणं
परतरं
परतरं रामस्य
रामस्य
दासोऽस्म्यहम्
दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे
रामे
चित्तलयः
चित्तलयः
सदा भवतु मे भो राम
राममामुद्धर
मामुद्धर
श्रीरामः शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गतिः
श्रीराम
श्रीरामः
शरणं
शरणं समस्तजगतां
समस्तजगतां
रामं
रामं
विना का
विना का
गतिः
गतिः
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः
रामेण
रामेण
प्रतिहन्यते
प्रतिहन्यते
कलिमलं
कलिमलं
रामाय
रामाय
कार्यं
कार्यं
नमः
नमः
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य
रामस्य
सर्वं
सर्वं
वशे
वशे
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः
रामे
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता
भक्तिरखण्डिता
भवतु मे
भवतु मे
रामत्वमेवाश्रयः
रामत्वमेवाश्रयः
रामो मे विहितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्
रामो मे
रामो मे
विहितं
विहितं
करोतु
करोतु
सततं
सततं रामं
रामं
भजे
भजे सादरम्
सादरम्
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामेणापहतं
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं
समस्तदुरितं
रामाय
रामाय दत्तं
दत्तं
धनम्
धनम्
रामानुक्तिरभीप्सिता सरभसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामानुव्यभिरभिप्सिता
रामानुक्तिरभीप्सिता सरभसं
सरभसं
रामस्य
रामस्य
दासोऽस्म्यहम्
दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय
रामे रञ्जतु
रञ्जतु
मे
मे
मनः
मनः
करुणया
करुणया
भो
राम
राम
मां
मां
पालय
पालय
इदमस्तु तन्निकृष्टं समीपतरवर्ति च एतदोरूपम्
इदमस्तु
इदमस्तु
सन्निकृष्टं
सन्निकृष्टं समीपतरवर्ति च एतदोरूपम्
समीपतरवर्तयेतदुपम्
अदसस्तु विप्रकृष्टं तदिति परोक्षे विजानीयात्
अधसस्तु
अदसस्तु
विप्रकृष्टं
विप्रकृष्टं
तदिति
तदिति
परोक्षे
परोक्षे
विजानीयात्
विजानीयात्
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातूपसर्गयोः
संहितैकपदे
संहितैकपदे
नित्या
नित्या नित्या
नित्याधातुपसर्गयोः
धातुपसर्गयोः
नित्याः समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षामपेक्षते
नित्या
नित्या
समासे
समासे
वाक्ये
वाक्ये
तु
तु
सा
सा
विविक्षामपेक्षते
विवक्षामपेक्षते
नाट् विविक्षा विवक्षा
विवक्षा अपेक्षते
विवक्षा अपेक्षते विवक्षाम् अपेक्षे सा विवक्षाम् अपेक्षते विवक्षाम् अपेक्षते नाट् विवक्षा अपेक्षते विवक्षाम् अपेक्षते विवक्षा विवक्षा how do we decline विवक्षा शब्द रमा शब्दवत् आकारान्तः
विवक्षा विवक्षे वृक्षाः
स्त्रीलिङ्गः विवक्षा शब्दः तृतीया विभक्ति
वृक्षा
एकवचनं विवक्षा right
to one.
so it is to one सा विवक्षा what is सा संहिता आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्ग संहिता विवक्षाम् अपेक्षते it has the expectation of the vivaksha vivaksha is vaktum ichha vivaksha the desire to speak the vaktum ichha desire to speak vivaksha like moktam ichha mumuksha desire to become free freedom desire to become free mumuksha desire to know jignasa desire to do chikitsa desire to speak. So it does depends on the vaktuhu ichha. it is a deliberation of the speaker, we say. So Vivaksha is Akaranta Shabda. Okay. Akarantah Strilingah Vivaksha Shabdah.
आकारान्तः स्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः विवक्षा शब्दः
So Rama Vivaksha we take. Okay. Or Rama itself we can do. We can take this as a master Shabda and all Akaranta Strilinga to be declined like this. Rama Rame Ramaha.
Rama Rame
रमे
Rama
रमाः
Ramam Rame Ramaha.
रमां रमे रमाः
Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramabhihi.
Ramaya
Ramabhyam
Ramabihi
Ramayai Ramabhyam Ramabhyaha.
रमायै
Ramayaha Ramabhyam Ramabhyaha.
Ramaya
Ramayaha Ramayoho Ramanam. Ramayam Ramayoho Ramasu. He Rame He Ramaha. Last class we did this. I think we did the second one. Tam. What vibhakti, what vachanam, what pratipadikam, we'll do one by one. Okay. So let me start from Indraji. You're the first person in my screen. Tam.
Indra,
Indira. Yes, you are the only one. Yes.
Napumsakalinga,
Napumsakalinga. Complete. What kim pratipadikam, ka vibhaktihi, kim vachanam.
Tad Shabdaha, Dvitiya, 2-1. I should say 2-1. It's not Napumsakalinga, it is Dakarantaha, Pullingaha, Tad Shabdaha.
Yes.
2-1.
Don't be carried away by tam, makara.
Yeah, yes, I made a mistake.
Sahatote tam tautan.
Yes.
So it is tat shabda, dakarantaha, pullingaha, tat shabdaha, ditya vibhakti ekavachanam. Sahatote tam tautan. Ashrupurna kulekshanam.
6-3.
She will
Can
answer.
it be
Indraji.
also,
Indraji. Yeah. What is the question?
is it also Napumsakalinga 2-1 also will be, right? It's both.
Really? Please decline Napumsakalinga Dakaranta Shabda.
No.
Tattetani,
Then-
tamtetani.
Tamtetani.
Tattetani.
Tattetani, tattetani. Andi.
Tattetani. Okay.
You please raise your hand. I will ask you because if interpret then flow gets disturbed. Just raise your hand. I will answer the question.
Ashtupurna
Okay.
Kulekshanam, this is also 2-1.
Pratipadikam.
Ashtupurna Kulekshana Pratipadikam. Rama Shabdavata.
Rama Shabdavata.
Is it not?
Rama or Rama?
Rama Shabdavat.
Rama Shabdavata. Ashtupurna
Purna
Kulekshanam.
Kulekshanam. Rama Shabdavat. Sorry.
It is okay. That's fine, but it is not Rama Shabda. It is it's a Napumsakalinga. The Shabda is.
Phalam phale phalani.
So
Okay.
therefore, then what vibhakti, what vachanam?
It is 1-1. Napumsakalinga will be 1-1.
Will it not be 2-1?
2-1
Phalam phale
also.
phalani. 2-1 also.
1-1, 2-1, both.
1-1 or 2-1. It could be anything, depending on the context. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Ashtupurna Kulekshana Shabda
Kulekshana
Napumsakalinga
Shabda.
Shabda.
Okay.
Here Ikshana, the word is there. Ikshanam. Ikshana means seeing. Abstract
Yes.
noun. That will be Napumsakalinga, not Pullinga. Ikshanam.
Okay.
Kula plus Ikshanam Guna Sandhi. Okay. Kulekshanam. A plus E. Ashrupurna plus Akula. Savanadirka. It's a compound. The whole thing is 3 words are there. Ashru is tears. Purna, Kula, Ikshana. 4 words are there.
4 words.
Make it into one compound.
Vishidantam. This is 2-1.
Okay.
No,
This is
again I made
wrong
a
thing here. No. This is, don't worry about this. Vishidantam. I'll change it
Okay.
to something because we have not seen. Okay.
Arjunaya, it is 4-1. Arjuna Pratipadikam is Arjuna.
Okay, see, you have to say like this. Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Arjuna Shabdaha, Chaturthi
Okay.
Vibhakti,
Akarantaha,
Ekavachanam.
Pullingaha, Arjuna Shabdaha, Chaturthi Vibhakti, Ekavachanam.
Yes.
Madhusudanaha, Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Madhusudana Shabdaha, Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. Vishame Rame 7-1. Akarantaha Pullingaha Vishama Shabdaha Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Okay, next person. Aravinji. Samupastitam.
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः समुपस्थित शब्दः द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनम्.
Yeah, can say Samupastitam, taking Akaranta, Pullinga Shabda, or Akaranta Napumsakalinga also possible.
Then 1-1 and 2-1.
If it is Napumsakalinga, then 1-1, 2-1. If it is Pullinga, it has to be 2-1. Okay. Anarya Jushtam.
If it is Napumsakalinga, then 1-1, 2-1. Anarya Jushta Shabdaha. Is it Napumsakalinga?
Anarya Jushtaha. It is the context. It is not Napumsakalinga. Indeed,
if it is Pullinga, then 2-1.
2-1.
Asvargyam. Asvargya Shabdaha. Then 2-1. Pullinga.
2-1. The context we can take this. Akaranta Shabda, Pullinga Shabda, Asvargyam. 2-1. Then
Akirtikaram. Akirtikara Shabdaha. Pullinga 2-1.
2-1.
Arjuna 8-1.
Arjuna Sambodhana.
Pullinga Akarantaha Pullingaha Arjuna Shabdaha Sambodhana Prathama Ekavachanam.
Okay. Klaibyam Sindhuraji.
Akarantaha, is it Pullinga Shabda?
Napumsakalingaha.
Napumsakalingaha, Klaibya Shabdaha. So Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Klaibya also means Napumsaka.
Klaibya means Napumsakaling. The word itself Napumsaka only. Meaning. Yeah.
Is this a Pullinga Shabda?
Shudra. Shudra is Pullinga. Shudra could be Napumsakalinga also. Shudram, Shudre, Shudrani, or Shudraha, depending on the context. Okay.
Okay. So,
whatever you say, it's okay. This will accept any.
Okay. Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Kshudra Shabdaha, Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. 2-1.
But remember, this could be Napumsakalinga also. Kshudram, Kshudre. It's not as an adjective to something. It can be Napumsakalinga. It is adjective. Adjective could be in any gender.
Oh, okay. Then it will be 1-1, 2-1.
Yes.
Parantapa. Akarantaha Pullingaha, Parantapa Shabdaha, Prathama Sambodhana Ekavachanam.
Sambodhana Prathama.
Sambodhana Prathama Ekavachanam.
Bhishmam.
Bhishmam 2-1. Bhishma Shabdaha, Akarantaha Pullingaha 2-1.
Here we don't have a choice. Bhishma is Pullinga only. Ishubhihi.
Ishubhihi 3-3. Is it like हरिशब्द इकारान्तः
उकारान्तः, not इकारान्तः. इषु गुरु गुरुभिः.
ओ सारी उकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः इषु शब्दः तृतीया विभक्ति बहुवचनं
लघुवचनम्. चित्राजी पूजार्हौ.
Oh. Okay. पूजार्हौ अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः पूजा पूजार्ह
या पूजार्ह शब्दः, right? राम शब्द. रामः रामौ.
रामः.
पूजार्हः पूजार्हौ.
So it must be 1 2 and 2 2.
1 2 or 2 2. Yes. Gurun.
Gurun. It is उकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः गुरुशब्दः. That must be 2 2 3 2. Sorry, 2 3 2 3.
2 3. Yes. What is the question?
The Pujarao can also be 8 2, right?
Okay. 8 2 also. He Rama, He Ramo. Okay. Mahanubhavan.
This is akar antah pullingah mahanubhava shabdah. It must be 3 1. Sorry, 3 2 3 2 3. Sorry, 2 3 2 3
2 3. Okay.
This 2 3 and 3 2. I get confused, Charanji. Always.
Baikshyam.
Baikshyam. Baikshyam. This is Napumsakalingam. Makarantah Napumsakalingah.
Not Makaranta, Akaranta.
Akarantah Napumsakalingah. Baushya sab.
Baiksha, not Baiksha.
Baiksha sab. Baiksha shabdah.
Baiksha.
Baiksha shabdah. Baiksha shabdah. This is 2 2 1.
1 1 or 2 1. Pratama it's ekavachanam only. How can be dvivachanam, laguvachanam,
Okay,
right?
yes. This is
Loke.
This is 7 1. Okay,
7 1. Shabda is
Loka shabdah. Akarantah loka shabdah. Akarantah pullingah loka shabdah. 7 1.
yes. Kaman.
Kaman. It is akarantah kamah. Akarantah pullingah kama shabdah. This is 2 3.
Yes, very good. That's Savitriji.
Yes. Rudhira Pradigdhan.
Rudhira Pradigdhan, yes.
So it's 2 3. Rudhira Pradigdha Shabdaha Akaranta Pullingah.
Yes.
Karpanya Dosho Pahataha.
What did you say? 2 3? You didn't hear properly.
2 3 I said.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Okay. Karpanya
You're joined through iPhone.
Yeah, because today my computer has a problem, so I couldn't.
Okay.
That's why
No problem.
it's,
Yeah.
I have to set it right tomorrow. I didn't check it before.
Okay. No problem. Yeah.
Karpanya dosho pahataha. 1 1. Karpanya dosha pahata.
Dosho pahataha.
Dosho pahata. Akaranta pullinga shabdaha.
Akarantaha pullinga कार्पण्य दोषोपहत शब्दः प्रथमा एकवचन रूपं कार्पण्य दोषोपहतः कार्पण्य दोषोपहतौ कार्पण्य दोषोपहताः इति. ओके.
धर्म सम्मूढ चेताः 1 3. अकारान्त पुल्लिंग
sorry
शब्दः धर्म सम्मूढ चेत.
No. This is wrong.
Okay.
I should. I'll change it.
Okay.
See, in the Gita shloka, if you take Dharma Sammuda, who is talking about Karpanya Dosho Pagata Swabhavaha Prachami Tvam Dharma Sammuda Chetaha Arjuna referring to himself as I whose mind is deluded
Deluded.
with regard to dharma.
Yes.
Then how can be Bhagavachanam? Ridiculous, right?
Oh, yeah,
Only
yeah.
one Arjuna is there, right?
Yes.
How can be Bhagavachanam? That's wrong. But Dharma Sambodha Cheta, no, not is wrong. I mean, to say it's Pullinga is wrong. It is not Pullinga. In fact, it's Pullinga is only, sorry. It is not Akaranta Shabda, it is Sakaranta Shabda, which we have not seen.
Okay.
So, Sakaranta Shabda, Pratama Ekavachanam will be like this. Chetas is Sakaranta Shabda.
Okay.
Napumsakalinga, in fact, but here it's a compound, therefore becomes Pullinga because it's qualifying Arjuna, Pullinga.
Okay.
So, Dharma Sammuda Chetas Shabdaha, which we have not seen. So, don't worry. I will change it. That's
So
wrong.
it is not Rama Shabdavat.
No, not Rama Shabdavat. That is, I cannot take like that. Dharma Sammuda Chetas Shabdaha. Like Nachiketas. Nachiketas is there in Kathopanishad. What is Pratama Vibhakti of Nachiketas? Nachiketaha. Not main Nachiketas. So only one Nachiketa. Nachiketaha. Not only that. Even we have Angiras, Angiraha. Brahma Devanam Pratama Sambhabhuva Vishwasya Karta. That Brahma Vidya Sampradaya Karta is there. There Angiras also is there. Angiras Sakaranta Shabda. When you decline becomes Angiraha. Another Acharya also is there. The same Angir, Repanta Shabda. Angihi. So that is, they are different, not same. One is Angiras, other one is Angir. Okay, similarly here, Dharma Sammuda Chetas Shabda becomes Dharma Sammuda Chetaha Ekavachanam. So I change it to Dharma Sammudaha. Okay, this is okay. Then this would be?
This should be Sammuda. So it's Strilinga.
No. Srilinga possible.
Sammuda, but
yeah,
okay.
Possible. Srilinga possible. Why
Also,
not?
if it is Strilinga, then it is 1-3 and 2-3. If it is Sammuda Akaranta Pullinga Shabdaha, it is 1-3. Sorry, 2-3.
2-3, 1-3. If it's Akaranta Pullinga.
Sorry, 1-3.
1-3.
1-3, yeah. 2-3 and 1-3 applicable only for Strilinga. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. What's the question, Arvindji?
Because the phrase was used in the Gita and because Arjuna was referring to himself, we kind of arrived that it could not be Strilinga and it has to be Dharma Sammuda Chetas.
Because I know it is Sakaranta Shabda, I heard it. Okay, not the other way. If you don't know, then we can see the word in the shloka because it's a qualifier, adjective. So it must be qualifying something. What it qualifies, you have to see. If it is singular, this is cannot be plural. So in that way, we can narrow it down. But anyway, this already I know this Chetas is Sakaranta Shabda. In fact, Napumsakalinga word. It is used in Pullinga. Napumsakalinga, when it is used in Pullinga, means it's a compound. Compound, it is possible. All those things are. And also, when you decline Cheta Shabda, it will be, Chetas, it's Napumsakalinga will be Chetaha, like Manas Shabda. Manaha Manasi, Chetaha, Chetasi, Chetamsi, it will be like that. Okay, don't worry about that. We don't know how it is declined. We have not seen it.
Okay.
That form is not there. So therefore, Napumsakalinga is ruled out. It has to be Pullinga. Pullinga, if it is Pratama, Vibhakti Ekavachanam, then it cannot be Akaranta Shabda. That is also ruled out. It must be different from Akaranta. So you have to then look for what Shabda is. Then it is Akaranta Shabda. That is next level. We will see that. We have not yet seen many Alanta Shabda. Only Sarvanama Alanta Shabdas we have seen. Not other Alanta. We will see that.
Okay. Tat Dakarantaha Napumsakalinga Tat Shabdaha 1-1 and 2-1.
Yes. This also Tad or Tad, both are there. Pratama Ekavachan. We will see.
Okay.
That is also another Sandhi. We need to see. Indriyanam.
Okay. Indriyani Shabdaha, which is Hari Shabdavat.
No.
No?
No.
Okay. I thought it is.
Okay, if you take Indriyani like
1-2,
Hari
I
Shabda.
thought. Yeah, I
okay,
thought
if you
1-2
take like
with
Indriyani, then what will be the, like Hari Shabda? What will be?
Indriyana.
This is
Harinam, then will become?
It is
Indriyani Nam. It should have become,
Ah.
right?
Yeah.
Is it Indriyani now?
No, that should be like 6-3.
If it is Indriyani, Ikaranta Shabda, Indriyani Shabda, like Ari Shabda, as you said, then 6-3 must be?
Indriyanam.
No. How can be Indriyana? You said Indriyani, right?
Oh, Indriyani, I said, yeah. Yeah.
If it is Ikaranta Shabda, Ari Shabdavat, then 6-3 should be?
Indriyanyam.
No.
Indriyani. Hari.
You said
Harinam
correctly
will
the
come,
wrong
right?
form also. So at least I will know that.
Harinam.
Harinam. Then,
Indriyaninam. Sorry.
Ah.
Indriyaninam should
is
have
it
come.
Indriyaninam here?
No, it is not.
Then Indriyani is not a Shabda.
No. Yes. Indriyanam.
Indriyanam is that. Then what must be the Shabda? Nam, you remove it.
Oh, okay.
Then
Nam
A
to
is
Indriya
also
Shabdaha.
the
Indriya Shabdaha.
Indriya Shabda.
Indriyanam. Ramanam.
Okay,
Right.
Ramanam you can say.
Indriya
Close.
Shabdaha.
It is
6-3.
Indriya Shabda, but it is Napumsakalinga, not Pullinga Shabda.
Okay.
Akarantaha only, not Ikaranta. It is Akarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Indriya Shabdaha, Indriyam, Indriye, Indriyani.
Yani.
Palampale, Palani.
Yes.
Indriyam, Indriye, Indriyani. Then 6-3 is Palanam, Indriyanam.
Yes.
You are taking the Bhagavachana Rupam Indriyani to be the Shabda. Then if you
Indriyani.
say like Hari Shabda, then it will be Indriyani na. There is no Shabda like that in the world.
Yes.
Okay, it's good to make all such mistakes so that we don't make it later.
Yes.
All possible mistakes. In fact, I learned like that. I do all possible mistakes and then after that I will not do that mistakes. In teaching also like that. I did all the mistakes in teaching. Then after that I know this is not the way. I know where I will get caught. They say something. So I'm now I become very careful, particularly this batch, because you will ask me, shoot a lot of questions. So I'm very careful what to say, what not to say. Even by mistake, if I say something, then I am a little alert. Rishikesham.
Akaranta Pullinga Rishikesha Shabdaha. It is 2-1.
2-1. Very good. Next person. Who's the next person? Krishna Swamiji. Gudakeshaha.
Gudakeshaha. 1-1.
1-1. Here also, so, this is a compound. Gudaka plus Ishaha. A plus E becomes?
Sorry?
It is Gudaka plus Ishaha. Sandhi. In the compound there is Sandhi, right?
Yeah.
Gudaka, the first word, Purvapada. Ishaha, second word. Sandhi. A
Gunasandhi.
plus Gunasandhi. Gudaka means Tamas. Gudakanam Ishaha. The one was the Lord of the Tamas means he has conquered Tamas. Sleep. Not sleep, literally Tamas. Lethargy we have to take. One was conquered sleep. That is how you will see the translation. How can we conquer sleep? It means sleepless person. It's not possible. Sleepless. Only for yogis may be possible. Yoga Nidra. Sleep. Without sleep, nobody can survive. Inertia. Tamas. Tamas is not there for Arjuna. Who has conquered Tamas? That is the meaning. Okay. Sena Yoho.
Sena Yoho. Yoho. It is 6-2-7-2.
Of Shabda.
Of Akarantaha Pullingaha.
No.
Sena Shabdaha.
It is Sena. It is not Sena.
Oh. Okay. Strilinga, right, sir? Okay.
Therefore, Akarantaha Strilingaha
Akarantaha
Sena
Strilingaha Sena Shabdaha. Okay. I
Rama
thought it is
Shabdavati.
Sena. Okay.
There is no Sena. So now that's how you are becoming familiar with the words and you become vocabulary. Okay, Sena is Akaranta Shabda. Chamu Ukaranta Shabda. Visana Chamuhu. Nishachara Chamuhu. Chamu Ukaranta Shabda. Strilinga Shabda. That also means army. In Gita itself,
okay.
all these words are used. Sena is used. Chamu is used. Anikam also used. Anikam, Pandava Anikam. Anikam is army. Ashocyan.
Ashocyan. Ashocyan. 2, 3.
Yes.
Ashocya. Akarantaha pullinga ashocya shabdah.
Yes. Pragyavadan.
Pragyavadan. Again 2, 3. Pragyavada shabdah. Akaranta pullinga.
Pragyavada Shabda. Yes. So when it is ending with nakara, it cannot be any other shabda. It has to be only
Yeah. 2, 3 only.
2, 3 only. If it is Hari Shabda, Harin, Guru Shabda, Gurun, Rama
Guru.
Shabda, Raman, right? We don't have this ending nakara for Shrilinga or Napumsakalinga. Only for Pullinga we have. There's a special rule. Tasman Shasor of Pumsi. Only for Pullinga we will have this nakara and 2, 3. Okay. So you can easily spot. It cannot be anything else.
Yeah, whenever it ends
Panditaha.
with makaram, it is makara.
That
It
is,
is a
yeah.
confusion.
That is,
Yeah.
of course, a challenge for the beginners. Later you will know. Once you know, it becomes easy later. You'll see. Yes.
Yeah.
Panditaha.
Panditaha. It is 1, 3.
Yes.
Akarantaha pullingaha pandita shabdah.
Janadipaha.
Janadhipaha. Again 1, 3. Akarantaha pullingaha janadhipa shabdah.
Janadipa. Jananam Adipa, the king of people. Adipa
Yeah.
is the head. It means Janadipa means king.
What is that,
Adipa
sir?
is one. Janadipa means king. Nirpaha, Raja ityartaha. Raja.
Okay.
Asmin.
Asmin. It is Asmin.
We are not.
7, 7, 1.
7, 1. That's good. What Shabda is?
It
We
is
have not.
makaranta. No, actually you taught us.
We have not. Okay.
Idam
Really?
shabda.
Very
Idam
good.
shabda.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes. Yeah, I thought I not.
Idam,
Okay, fine.
idam shabda. Makarantaha pullingaha idam shabda.
Idam Shabda.
I'm not
Asmin. Yes, correct. Asmin is Saptami Ekavachanam. Okay. 1 minute. This is Asmin Loke, we say, right? Asmin. Asmin is Idam Shabda.
Is it Asmin Anayoho Asam?
Asmin Anayoho, not Asam. Asmin. Okay, what
Yoho Yeshu.
Yeshu. Okay. It is Asmin is a form for both Pullinga as well as Napumsakalinga. Next person who wants to read, who is there? Prakashji, you can try. Kaumaram. Prakashji.
Yeah. Kaumaram. Napumsalingam.
No.
Kaumaraha.
No. Kaumara Shabda, not Napumsakalinga. Kaumaraha, the word is there.
Kaumaraha. Akaranta pullingaha. Dutiya vibhati ekavachana.
Very good. Kaumaraha, the word is there. It means it has to be Pullinga. If it is Napumsakalinga, then there is no word Kaumaraha. Kaumaram only it would be, right? Kaumaraha, the word is there. Okay.
Okay.
Then
Shitoshna.
Shitoshna Sukha Dukkhadaha.
Pullingaha bahuvachana.
Yes.
Prathama vibhakti.
Shabda is
Shitoshna Sukha Dukkhada.
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 Dukkham dadati. That Sukha Dukkham dadati. Shitosha Sukha Dukkham dadati. That which gives Sukha and Dukkha. Okay. Sukham Dukkham dadati. Dadati iti daha. The Shitosha Sukha Dukkhada Shabda. Akarantaha Pullingaha Shitoshna Sukha Dukkhada Shabdaha. Then we can decline like Rama Shabda. Bhagavachan will be Shitoshna Sukha Dukkhadaha. And
Anitya Shabdaha. Prathama vibhakti bahuvachana.
okay. Purusha Rishabha.
Purusha Rishabha.
Purusha Rishabha, not Purusha Rishabha. Visarga not there.
7, 8, 1.
8, 1. Sambodhana it is.
Sambodhana of Pullinga.
Here we have one Sandhi which we have seen. What is Sandhi? Compound.
Purushar, Purushar.
Not Purushar. Purusha plus Rishabha. A plus R. What's Sandhi?
Ayava Sandhi.
No. How can be Ayava?
No,
Ayava means I.
Sir,
Must be there, right?
I forgot. No?
R is Guna. Guna letter. Guna Sandhi.
Sorry.
Yes. What Krishna Swamiji?
The previous one, Anityaha, it is actually even 1-3 and 8-3 also, right?
Yeah, we can say 8-3. I'm not saying I'm
8-3.
ruling out 8-3. Okay, it's not so
Okay.
important. That's
Yeah,
why I'm not
sure.
counting it.
Okay.
Okay. But anyway, you'll be aware of that. Yes, 8-3. Amritvaya, Amritatvaya, actually. That's all in the Gita is Amritatvaya Kalpate. Amritatvaya.
Amartatvaya Vaya Pullingaha Chaturthi.
Not Amritatvaya. You don't add Visarga to it. Okay, it's already this is declined. No, you cannot add Visarga to it.
Okay. Amartatvaya Shabda.
No, not Amritatvaya Shabda. It is Sambodhana of Amritatvaya. Ramaya is there. Is it Ramaya Shabda?
Ramaya is
Ramaya, the word is there. 4-1. The Shabda is Ramaya. No. Rama Shabda, Chaturthi, Ramaya. Amritatvaya, therefore, Chaturthi, Ekavachan, therefore, Pratipadika must be
Amrtatvaya.
Amritatvaya.
Amrtatvaya.
Not Amritattva.
Amrtatvaya.
Amritattva. Okay.
Amrtattva.
It can be Napumsakalinga or it can be Pullinga. That's okay, whatever it is. Because both genders are possible. Abhavaha.
Abhava Shabda. Purusha Pullingaha. Pratama Ekavachanam.
Drishtaha.
Can I try this?
Yeah, try Jayantiji. Okay, Jayantiji will do. Yeah, Drishtaha.
Drishta Shabda.
Okay, Prasadji, let Prakash, let Jayantiji do. Yeah, Drishtaha. Please do.
1.
What is the Pratipadikam?
Drishta. Akaranta.
How do you decline? Drishtaha?
Akaranta. Pullinga. Drishta Shabda.
Drishta Shabda, not Drishta. Drishta
Shabda.
Drishtaha, decline. Drishtaha, Drishtau. Drishtaha. Then next one.
Shashvataha. 1. Akaranta. Pullinga.
Akarantaha. Pullingaha. If you say Pullinga, it is wrong to all of you. Okay, you have to complete a word.
Yes.
Word is not complete. Pullingaha is a word. You are telling only the Pratipadika. Pullinga, Akaranta.
Shashvata Shabdaha.
Yes. Puraneshu.
Puraneshu. 7-3.
What is the Shabda?
Purana Shabda.
You have to tell all the description. Okay, well, not bits and pieces. What anta, what linga? Akarantaha.
Pullingaha.
No, not Pullinga.
Purana Shabdaha.
It is Napumsakalinga Shabdaha.
Puranam.
Puranaha, I can say is Pullinga also. It is there. But here Puraneshu, talking about anyway, Pullinga also is fine.
Okay.
Because in Gita we have Shashvataha, Puranaha referring to Atma. That is possible. Or Puraneshu, you are talking about Puranam, Purane, Puranani. Like the Ashta, Puranam.
7-3 for both.
7-3.
7-3. Yes.
Whether it is Pullinga, Napumsakalinga, whatever it is, you can take whatever it is fine. 7-3 is Puraneshu. Fine. Okay. We have not chanted Gita. We will do, and Subhashitam also. See, this we are not doing chanting of the Shabda. Instead, we are doing this identifying the cases. So it's equivalent to revising all the Shabdas. Okay, so it means you must be aware of all the Shabda, whatever we have seen, right? Then only you would be able to do that exercise. Vina karyena ye mudaha.
Vina karyena ye mudaha.
Gachanti paramandiram.
Gachanti paramandiram.
Avashyam lakutam yanti.
Avashyam lakutam yanti.
Krishna pakshe yatha shashi.
Krishna pakshe yatha shashi.
Can you guess the meaning? Guesswork.
Karyena ye mudhaha gachanti paramandiram.
Without work, people, the Murga go.
No, read in your mind. Okay, mentally you read. If you know the meaning, approximate meaning also is okay.
Avashyam lagutam yanti. Avashyam lagutam yanti. Krishna pakshi.
See, gachanti is what is the meaning of gachanti?
Go.
Go. Who goes?
Go.
Who go or who goes? Goes or go?
Mudaha.
Mudaha.
Bahuvachanam.
Go.
Therefore, who go? Mudaha. Mudaha means not fools. Okay, not fools.
Confused people.
Confused, deluded. They go. Vina karyena.
Without doing any work.
Yeah, vina is separate word. Okay, vina is abhyayam.
Without.
Without. Vina karyena, without any work.
Effort.
Ye, okay, ye also is there. What is ye doing there?
Those people.
Adjective. Adjectival pronoun. Adjective to those deluded. Right? Vina karyena, without any work,
Effort.
without any purpose. Paramandiram is. Mandira means not always temple. Huh? Mandira is the place where one stays also. It's called Mandira. Paramandira means others' place, others' house. Right?
Okay.
Okay.
You don't have any work, therefore you visit all the house, and then what you do? You chat with them. You do it regularly. Then what will happen?
Oh.
Avashyam lagutam yanti. Lagutam is
Easy.
the status of being small. That is, definitely you will become small. Small means because of your frequent visit, you will lose your value. Right? That's what lagutam yanti. You will become insignificant. If you are a frequent visitor, every day you come, so you will not have that same respect as you had the first day, right?
Yes.
The familiarity breeds contempt. Like what? When a Drishtanta is given an example.
Moon, like moon.
Like moon what?
It is
Raining, like the moon.
Like in the
Moon is
Krishna
not an
Paksha.
original thing. It's always a borrowed thing.
Like Krishna Paksha, in the Krishna Paksha, what happened to the Shashi? Shashi is
Waning.
moon.
Waning moon, yes.
Yes. Similarly, your value also, your worth also will slowly reduce. Lagutam yanti, diminish. That's the meaning. Lagu means light or less, diminish. Avashyam lagutam yanti. You will lose your worth, self-worth. Shashi is what Shabda?
Nadi.
Ikarantaha. Srilinga. No, it is not.
Hari.
No, the last class only somebody said Kara. I remember Karin and all. Same thing here also. Shashin. Akaranta Shabda. Shasha means rabbit.
Okay.
That which has rabbit. Moon, we say rabbit moon, right? Rabbit, it has form. Shashaha asya asti iti. Like Karin Shabda. Karaha asya asti. Karin visa. Karino, Karinaha. Shashi is Pratama Ekavachanam. We will see that Shabda later. Nakaranta Shabda. That later we will see. Shashi is Pratama Ekavachanam of the Nakaranta Shabda Shashinna. Okay. So, ye mudaha paramandiram vinakaryena gachanti te avashyam lagutam yanti. Yata shashi Krishna pakshe lagutam yanti tata. Simple. This is how you write in the prosa form. First, you have to catch the Kriyapadam. Find out the Kriyapadam. ask question to the Kriya Padam. We will learn that slowly later. After we study the Vibhaktis and Karaka, then you have to connect all the words to the Kriya Padam. Who goes, why, where does it go, why does he go, for what purpose he goes, from where does he go, all those things you have to ask. So then you get the answer. Then you can make it in a prose order. That is the next one we will learn later. Next topic, I mean, not immediate topic. We need to get familiarity with the Kriya Padam. Then we will see the meaning of the Vibhakti. What the meaning of Vibhaktis are added. Yeah, what is the question?
No, like the rabbit in the moon, which is insignificant. How do we interpret that? I probably missed that part. Like the person
not
who frequently
like
does.
the rabbit in the moon, like the moon, not rabbit in the moon.
Okay.
Like the moon, the moon during Krishna Paksha, what happens? Slowly it wanes, right?
Yes.
Similarly, your value also. Lagutta, you also.
Why is it rabbit even in there? I didn't follow the.
English also we say no. The rabbit in the. If you see the moon, you will see a form. You know the crater. I think it looks like the rabbit.
Usually see an old lady.
It depends. Okay.
And making vada.
It depends on how you see. Rabbit moon is there, no?
We heard during our childhood.
So it's just an adjective for the moon here.
Not adjective for the moon. The moon is referred to by the word Shashi. Shashi is the name of the moon.
Okay.
Right? Rabbit moon we say, right? Rabbit moon, you don't know? Moon rabbit moon.
Never heard of it.
Really? Please Google it, you will see it.
Okay.
The rabbit moon, they see rabbit in the moon. It's some stories, some can check the mythical figure.
Oh,
I think I thought you know. You must be knowing. We use the English also. We use this, no, rabbit. You see the full moon, probably you will see the rabbit, form of a rabbit. I mean, that's how people they perceive. You can see an old lady. It's up to you. Or you can see yourself also in that. It's accept. Fine. Okay. So see, in Sanskritam also we have like that. The word shashaha. Shasha means rabbit. Shashaha asya asti. It has a rabbit in its form. Therefore, Shashi is called. Okay. Next, Gita. Where we are in the Gita? I think Sanjaya Uvacha, right? 2:9. Sanjaya Uvacha.
Sanjaya Uvacha.
Evam Mukta Rishikesham.
Evam Ukta
Rishikesham.
Gudakeshah Parantapaha.
Gudakeshah Parantapaha.
Nayotsya iti Govindam.
Nayotsya iti Govindam.
Uktva tushnim babhuvaha. Rishikesham. What vibhakti, what vachanam?
2-1.
2:1.
2-1.
Gudakeshaha Parantapaha
1-1.
Govindam
2-1.
2:1. And here one more sandhi is Yotsye, na Yotsye. This is missing. It's a typing mistake, right? Typo. Huh?
Lopasan.
What sandhi then?
Yep.
Is it typo?
No, it's not a typo.
It's a lopa.
Yeah, what is that?
Ayadi.
Lopa.
Lopa.
Lopa of A plus E. What sandhi is?
Ayava.
Ayadi sandhi. Then what happened to A? A is
Because with the
replaced by
yakara,
I.
Disappeared.
Not,
Your lopa
A is replaced by A. Yakara becomes lopaha. Na yotsya. There is no word yotsya. Yotsye is that. Yotsye means I will fight. Na yotsye, I will not fight. Okay. Iti uktva. Who says? Gudakeshaha Parantapha. Arjuna says. Na yotsye, I will not fight. Yotsye, ye, that ye has gone. But because of Sandhi, Ayadi Sandhi. Okay.
Can
Tamuvacha
you
Rishi.
repeat that Yotsya? How do you split it? Yotsya.
Ayadi Sandhi. Yotsye plus iti.
Okay.
Tamuvacha Rishi Keshaha.
Tamuvacha
Tamuvacha Hrishikeshah.
Prahasanniva Bharata.
Prahasanniva Bharata.
Senayorubhayor madhye.
Senayorubayor madhye.
Vishidantam idham vachaha.
Vishidantam idam vachaha.
Idam vachaha.
Tam. What vibhakti? What vachanam?
2-1.
2-1.
What linga?
Pullinga.
Only in Pullinga we have tam. Do we have in Napumsaka linga?
No.
Do we have in Srilinga?
No.
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 Tam is tam, referring to Arjuna. Tam Arjunam. Rishikeshaha, what vibhakti?
1-1.
1-1.
So
1-1.
Rishikeshaha uvacha Arjunam uvacha. He told Arjuna,
Akaranta pullinga.
Hey Bharata.
7-1.
7-1 na?
8-1.
8-1. Sambodhana.
Sambodhana.
Senayorubayor madhye. Senayoho.
7-1.
6-2, 7-2.
6-2 or 7-2?
6-2, 7-2.
7-1.
இது வந்து
7-1 na? Come on, you have to think.
7-2,
Compound is
7-2, sorry,
7.
7-2.
The compound word is 7-1, right?
What is the compound?
Senayor Ubhayor Mad. No, it won't come. It won't come.
ரெண்டுக்கு நடுவுல.
There is no compound.
Yeah. There is no. Yeah.
Anyway, forget about compound. First, I say the word alone you did find out. What vibhakti, what vachanam.
Senayoho.
Senayoho ubayoho madhye. Okay.
Yeah. 6-2.
Then Ikaranta Shabda. We have seen Akaranta Shabda, Strilinga, Rama, then Ikaranta Shabda, Strilinga Shabda. We will learn this Ikaranta as well as Ikaranta, both. You take the Ikaranta Shabda, Mati, as a master Shabda. It means you are going to see and you are going to memorize this Shabda, Mati. Mati is not Pullinga, it is Strilinga. Yes, what is the question?
Madhye is Avyayam.
What is Avyayam?
Madhye.
உபயோர் மத்தி.
Madhya is not Avyayam.
No?
It's not Avyayam.
In between. That means in between.
Meaning is in between. Madhya is not Avyayam.
What is the root Shabda for that?
Madhya.
Madhya. Akarant.
Okay, fine. Then forget about that. Come back here. Then Ikarantaha Strilinga Shabdaha. It is Strilinga. Remember, I said Strilinga Shabda generally will be ending with Dirga. That is not true here. To start with, we say. After that, we introduce all ending. So that's why Ikara is there for Strilinga. Ikarantaha Strilingaha Mati Shabdaha. Mati means mind, buddhi. Mati here has got many meaning. Mati here means view, mata, all those things. Mati here you can take buddhi. Okay, buddhi also Ikaranta Shabda, Strilinga only. So Ikaranta Shabdaha, Mati Shabdaha. There are so many Shabdas are given here as an example. We'll practice that. Okay, Mati Shabdaha. So for that, Mati Shabda, we will see the Shabda later, but Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is like Hari Shabda, Pullinga Shabda. Arihi Hari Areha, Matihi Mati, Matayaha. It is Ikaranta Shabda ending with E, therefore Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Mati Shabdaha. So all these are Mati Shabda. Buddhi, Shakti, Dhruti, Kirti. In fact, in Gita, Bhagavan lists all this. Dhruti, Kirti, iti, all the Strilinga Shabda he says, the 10th chapter of the Gita. He mentions all these are Strilinga Shabda, they are me, he says. Datihi, Kirtihi, Stutihi, Srishti, Vrishti, Smriti,
Nivritti.
Shruti, Jati, Priti, Mukti, Ruchi, Bhumi, Kanti, Murti, Murti also, Bhakti, Hani, Hani also, Anirbhavati, Bharata, Yadahi Dharmasya, Hanihi, Hanihi, Jhanihi, all are these are Srilinga Shabda. Shukti, pearl, Pravritti, action, Nivritti, withdrawal, Ahuti, what is offered, yeah, Prakriti, Vikriti, Jati, Duli, Samskriti, all
How
these
to
are,
how to differentiate from Hari Shabda?
that's what we are going to see. We'll see how to differentiate from Hari Shabda. Forms are different. You will have optional forms are there. You will see that. So just to note, all these are Srilinga Shabda. Okay. Yes. What is the question?
Sharanji, we did Mati Shabda. You taught us when we did
Yes,
Hari.
I know. But we have
But
not
we didn't
done
do the
like this.
examples, actually. Other examples.
Then Ikaranta Srilinga Shabda, Nadi Shabda. So, Nadi is the Ikaranta, we can take the Nadi as a master Shabda. Ikarantaha Strilingaha Nadi Shabdaha. So there are many Shabdas, you will see many Shabda in Lalita Sahasranam also. Nadi will be Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha. First we will learn Nadi Shabda and then we will learn Mati Shabda. Even though here Ikaranta followed by Ikaranta, but when we will learn Nadi Shabda first and then we will learn Mati Shabda. Gauri, Vapi, Vapi Kupa Tatagadi. Vapi is,
Well,
Vapi is,
Well,
is it well?
Yes.
Kupa is well, Vapi Kupi. Vapi means the Tadaga,
Vapi
pond.
river.
Not river, pond.
Pond.
Janani, mother. Nagari. Nagari is city. Nagaram also is the Napumsakalinga. Bhavani, Kali, Rudrani, Tantri, Patni, Lakshmi, Parvati, Kumari, Nalini, Lekani, Maitri, Nari, Prithvi, Chamundi, all, Nalita Sahasranam you will see. Medini is Prithvi, Varahi, Kamakshi, Kapagni, coffee. Kapagni Shabda. Marjani is
Duster.
Duster. Yes.
It is a Marjari. Marjara Pullinga. Marjari Srilinga. Marjara is cat. Yes, Arunji.
Something like coffee, which is not native to India. How does the word originate? Kapagni.
Not native to India. I don't know.
They say it was some South American invention, which
Brazil.
later India and all that.
From Brazil and all.
I don't know, but the word is there in. We can coin words. How it is coined, we don't know. I don't know what is, but Kapagni, the word is there. I'm not sure whether our ancient drank coffee or not. Or did they take Horlicks or Boost? We don't know. Okay, whatever it is there, word. Because,
No, but it's possible to coin.
Why not? We can coin. Yeah.
We coined a word for.
We can coin. So, our computer, the word is coined. Sanganakam.
Computer. Everything.
Then Vaigyanikam, Yantra, all this. Why not? So many. We have words for all the icons and the buttons we use in computer. That also we have. We have Sanskrita Wikipedia. You will see.
It can also.
Will be,
Saranji, when you say Sanganakam, it can also mean calculator, is it?
Yeah, it can mean calculator, it can mean computer. Yes. It can mean both. Yes. Yeah, what's the question?
Marjani and Marjorie, same meaning or different?
Marjari, not Marjorie.
Sorry, Marjari.
Is it same?
Same.
I think you didn't hear properly what I said. I said Marjara is cat. Then what Marjari? I asked you.
Cat.
What Marjari?
Yeah, it's a female cat. Okay.
Yes. Marjani is eraser. There is no female Marjani. Only Marjani is Marjani, only eraser. Okay.
Meljini is the same. Medini is same in,
Prithvi.
as in Tamil.
Yeah.
Medini.
Yes. Shati, sari. Shatika, that is also sari only.
Sorry.
Anguli, finger. Right? Duravani, Jangama Duravani, kind word, mobile phone.
Definitely.
Jangama is moving. Duravani, Jangama Duravani. Right? Mobile phone, only before it was only landline mobile phone, the only phone, Duravani.
Yes.
After it become mobile.
Mobile.
In Sanskritam also we coined Jangama Duravani.
Now that I'm thinking, even in English also, they have to coin new words only when something new is invented.
Yes.
That
Of
which
course, we have to
computers
coin.
is a computer. So
Computer was there in Shakespeare time. Not there,
that's
right?
what.
Similarly, Sanskritam also we can coin words.
Right. Got my answer.
Then Stri, Shabda, and the. There are also Stri, Srilinga, the. But declensions are different. That I mean, some of the Shabdas are different. We will see that later. Now, Ikaranta Shabda, Nadi Shabda is our master Shabda. First we will learn Nadi Shabda and then Mati Shabda. Okay. I don't expect you to know other Stri, Lakshmi and all now. It's not required. First, Nadi is important. Mati is important. I have a checklist. Checklist, you know, with all the Shabdas, whatever. Sir, you can see this is all the Shabdas, you know. By the time we complete 50th class, the Shabda should be not in the Pustaka. Should be here. Pustakasta ya vidya, parastam gatam dhanam, karyakale samatpanne, nasa vidya natad dhanam. So this, all the Shabdas here. You should be thorough with Pullinga Shabda. Then Vikaranta Shabda we need to see. And Srilinga, Napumsakalinga. First let us learn Srilinga Shabda, Nadi and Mati. After that, maybe next class or after that, Idam Shabda, all the lingas. Then Vikaranta Shabda, Pitru Shabdas we learn. Now, let us chant this Nadi Shabda. Ikarantaha Strilingaha Nadi Shabdaha.
Ikarantaha Strilingaha Nadi Shabdaha.
Nadi Shabdaha.
Nadi Nadyau Nadyaha.
Nadi Nadyau Nadyaha.
See, Rama Shabda we learned. The same format, all these Sarvanama Shabdas we declined, right? Satetaha, Kakekaha, right? Yaha, Yesha, Yetaha. That is Rama Shabda. After that, immediately we learn Sarvanama Shabda. Nadi Shabda, then after that we learn connection with that Mati Shabda. So you will see some similarity between these two. Nadim, Nadyau, Nadihi.
Nadim Nadyau Nadihi.
Please note, Dvitiya Bhagavachanam Nadihi. Right? Nadihi. So don't think it as, Pratama Ekavachanam. Pratama Ekavachanam, no Visarga. Nadi only. This Nadi is Padam. This Nadi is Pratipadikam. Okay. Nadya, Nadibhyam, Nadivihi.
Nadibhyam Nadibihi.
Nadyai, Nadibhyam, Nadibhyaha.
Nadibhyaha.
You can see some similarity with Rama. Tritiya is Ramaya, Ramayai, right? Similarly, Panchami and Shashti, Ramayaha, here it is Nadyaha. Nadyaha, Nadibhyam, Nadibhyaha.
Nadyaha Nadibhyam Nadibhyaha.
Nadyaha, Nadyoho, Nadinam.
Nadyaha Nadyoho Nadinam.
Will nothing happens?
No.
Because there is no
Refa.
Repa, Rikara, or Shakara. Nadyam, Nadyoho, Nadishu.
Nadyam Nadyoho Nadishu.
Shattam happens.
Yes.
So what Sakara?
Apadanta Sakara preceded by
Innarku. Yes. Apadanta Sakara preceded by Innarku, Nadishu. Whereas Rama, Ramasu. Not Ramashu. Right?
Yes.
And Nadyoho, Os. Remember the Pratyaya? Os is 6-2 and 7-2 Os. Nadyo. Ramayoho, Nadyoho. Right? Ramayam, Nadyam. Ramasu, Nadishu. Ramanam, Nadinam. So similar to Nadi Shabda, I mean Rama Shabda only. He Nadi, he Nadyo, he Nadyaha.
He Nadi, he Nadyaha.
He Nadi is Rasva. He Nadi Sambodhana. Saraswati Namastubhyam, not Saraswati Namastubhyam. Hey Saraswati is Sambodhana. We are addressing. We are calling. We are invoking Saraswati. Hey Saraswati. Namaha, Tubhyam Namaha. Namaskara to you. Right? Some people they chant the shloka wrongly. Saraswati Namastubhyam. That's wrong. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varadhe Kamarupini. Kamarupini only, not Kamarupini. Kamarupini. Right? Okay, then. The Nadi meaning river. We have in Pullinga also the word for river. Nada. Nadaha, Nado, Nadaha, like Rama Shabda. Pullinga also we have the word for Nadi, I mean river. Nada. Nadaha, Nado, Nadaha, Nadam, Nado, Nadana. Okay. Please, yeah. What's Mr. Swamichi?
Even in Sandhyavandanam also that Sarva Varne Mahadevi Sandhya Vidye Saraswati.
Yes, Saraswati. Rasva, Sambodhana.
Yeah, Devi also same, no, here. Devi
Yes.
also it is.
Devi,
yeah.
yes, Devi is. How do you decline Devi? Okay, let us chant one. Let us take Devi Shabda. Devi, Devyo. Complete. Devi, Devyo.
Devyaha.
So when Devyaha, suppose the word is there, they ask you what Vibhakti, what Vachanam.
1-3.
Should say 1-3, not 1-1. Huh?
1-3.
1-3. Devi Shabda. Devim, Devyo.
Devi.
Devi. Devya. Devibhyam.
Devi.
Then next one, Chaturthi.
Devyai Devibhyam Devibhyaha Devyaha Devibhyam Devibhyaha Devyoho Devinam
Devinam. Then
Devyam
Devyam Devyoho Devi
Then
He Devi
He Devi He Devyau He Devyaha.
okay. Gauri Shabda. Who wants to do? Please do. Anyone?
I'll do.
Yeah.
Sharanji.
Yes, please do.
Gauri, Gauryau, Gauryaha. Gauri, Gauryau, Gaurihi. Gaurya, Gauribhyam, Gauribihi. Gauryai, Gauribhyam, Gauribhyaha.
Gauribhyam, Gauribhyaha.
Gauribhyaha. Gauryaha, Gauribhyam, Gauribhyaha.
Gauribhyaha.
Gauribhyaha. Gauryaha, Gauryoho, Gaurinam.
Nothing happens. Gaurinam.
Gaurinam. Sorry. Gauryam, Gauryoho, Gaurishu. He Gauri, He Gauryau, He Gauryaha.
Next person. Kameshwara Prema Ratna Mani Pratipanastani Shabda. It's one word is one, the one line is one word, compound. Raita Sakasramam. Okay. Kameshwara Prema Ratna Mani Pratipanastani Nabhyalavala Romali Lata Pulakuchadvayi. First line. Kameshwara Prema Ratna Mani Pratapanastani Ekavachanam. Then Kameshwara Prema Ratna Mani Pratipanastani. Rastanyau. Then Kameshwara Prema Ratna Mani Pratipanastanyah. Then Kameshwara Prema Ratna Mani Pratipanastanim. So like that. Last word is Stani. Okay. Ikaranta Shabda. Stani, Stanyau, Stanyah. Stanim, Stanyau, Stanihi. Like that. When Lahita Swami, you will see a lot of words. Right? Of course, a lot of words I have taken as example from that only. It is there in the file. I'll send you that.
Srimati.
Kamakshi, Kamadayini, all those words. Mahasakti, Kundalini. Okay. Chakropari Samstita. Sorry. Visatantu Taniyasi. Visatantu
Srinkari.
Taniyasi. So many words are there, Ikaranta Shabda in Vedas Sasnam. Okay. Kaulini, Kulayogini, Vivedini, Brahma Granthi, Vivedini, Vishnu Granthi, Vivedini, Rudra Granthi, Vivedini. So many words are there. Yeah, what's the question?
No question.
Somebody asked.
Hrinkari there. Hrimati.
Rinkari, yes, also. So you can try all these words. Nari also you can take. Nari, Naryo,
Naryah.
Naryaha. Nari, Naryo,
Narihi.
Narihi. Yeah. Yatra Naryaha Pujyante Tatra Devaha Ramante. One famous statement is in the, I think from the Manusmriti, I think it is. Yatra Naryaha Pujyante. It's a Karmani Prayoga. Okay, it is Karmani, not passive voice. Yatra Naryaha Pujyante Tatra Devaha Ramante. There the Devas revel. Okay. Now, this Shabda Nadi, Shabda Ikaranta, so other Shabda you can try Putri, etc. Devi, Saki. Saki is Ikaranta Shabda. Saki is friend. Okay. We have Saki, Rasva also is a Pullinga Shabda. That declension is different, not like Hari, completely different. Ikarantaha Pullingaha Saki Shabdaha Saka Sakayo Sakayaha. Completely different. Don't worry about that. We are not going to learn now. Later. Saka Sakayo. Yes, Saki Ikaranta. Vani Saraswati. Right? Tanno Vani Prachodayat Prithvi. Prithvi or Prithvi. Prithvi or Prithvi. Both are okay. Both are fine. Both words are there in language. These are all exceptions. You can just note. Avi Tantri Tari Lakshmi Hridhi Srinam Unadishu Saptanam Apishabdhanam Sulopo Nakadachana. These shabdas which are listed here, for that Sulopa, Su referring to Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya, Su, Aujas, Outshas. That Lopa, Sakara disappearing will not happen. It means when you decline these words, Avi, Avihi, Avyau, Avyaha. Okay, that is Avi Shabda. The meaning is given within bracket. Tantri is Veena. Tantrihi. Tantriyau. Visarga will be there. In Adi, we do have Visarga in Pratama Ekavachanam? No.
No.
These are exception. These Shabdas. The 7 Shabdas. Similarly, Tari. Tarihi. Lakshmi. That is why Lakshmi Prachodaya. Visarga is there. There is no word Lakshmi. Lakshmi, Lakshmyao, Lakshmyaha. Similarly, Hrihi, Visarga, Hrihi, Dhihi. Please see, Dhihi also Buddhi. Buddhi also Ikaranta Shabda, Rasva Ikara, Shilinga. Bhi also Shilinga Shabda, Ikaranta Shabda. When you decline Dhihi, Dhyo Dhiyaha, it would be. Shrihi, Shrihi, Shriyao, Shriyaha. All these are Pratama Vibhakti, Visargaha will be there, Visargaha Bhavati. That's what the shloka is said. Sulopaha, Su referring to Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya, that Lopaha na Bhavati. Kadachana never Lopa happens for these 7 Shabda, Sattanam Api Shabdanam. Those Shabdas are given here. Only that is the only change. Otherwise, you know the Shabda. Lakshmi hi, you can note. It's like Nadi Shabdavat, except Pratama Ekavachan, the Rupam is Lakshmi hi. Understand? Other forms are same as, Nadi Shabda. Lakshmi hi, Lakshmyao, Lakshmyaha. Lakshmim, Lakshmyao, Lakshmi hi. Lakshmya, Lakshmi Bhyam, Lakshmyai, Lakshmyaha, Lakshmyaha, Lakshmyam, Lakshmi Shu. A Lakshmi, right? Similarly, other words you can note, I have not given here. Fine. Shrihi. This one all we will see later. Shrihi. Visarga is there that you note. Yes. What is the question, Ji?
Let us say if I'm coining a particular word, who decides whether it has to come under a particular vibhakti or it has to be an exception, something like that? Right now you showed a couple of words, right? Say for example, both, tari, it is an exception in this case. So who decides that? Let us say if I am coining a word, I don't know how to, whether it has to be with the main one or it is an exception. I don't know how to do that.
These are not coined word. Tari and all is not coined word. It is in the language.
No, later point in time, if we coin a word, who categorizes that? Who decides it has to be under so and so?
What word you will categorize? You will coin. You cannot coin a new word, but you will coin only a compound. What is available only you will join.
Okay.
You will not coin entirely a new word. You can coin only compounds, right? Can you coin a new word?
I'm
You
not
can
sure.
coin
Actually,
only
sir.
the compounds. Compounds only
Okay.
can be coined. Other words are there in the language, right?
Okay.
Like how you give Sanganakam as an example.
Sanganakam is a coined word, is a compound. It's not one word. It's a compound. Sanganakam is a compound, okay?
So we cannot coin something like laka laka. It's not possible to just coin whatever name we want. It has to have constituent meanings.
If you coin means what meaning you will give. You have to have your own dictionary.
Correct.
You can coin only compounds. So stri, the word is there. Like stri, you will coin one word, which meaning something. No, not possible. Strihi. This is strihi, I think. It's not there in the list, I think. Yeah, it's not there in the list. That was stri only. Okay, please note. Stri Shabda is, its declension is completely different. I'm saying, okay, anyway, I'm not expecting you to know this Shabda. I want you to know Nadi Shabda. The Shabdas are just listed here because all these are special ikar on the Shabda. Stri Shabda is Stri only. There is no Visarga here. But other forms you will see different. So it's not required for us now. Nadi Shabda, you memorize, that's important. Next comes Mati Shabda. Now, Mati is a combination of both. Already we have seen. But now for the sake of completion, we are doing it again. The combination of both Nadi Shabda and Ari Shabda of Pullinga, that also. The form of Ari Shabda. Ari Shabda we know. Mati Shabda you are going to learn now, let us say, right? Now we have the forms of Mati Shabda, which is in other some vibhaktis. That we have both forms, like in Chaturthi, Panchami and all. Combination of the Ikaranta Shabda, Nadi Shabda and Hari Shabda. For example, Matyai, we saw in Nadyai, right? Nadi Shabda, Nadyai Chaturthi. Matyaha, Nadyaha, Matyaha, Nadyaha, Nadyam, Matyam, right? In 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, we have like the Nadi Shabdavat. Other form is like Hari Shabdavat. Arehe, 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 Haru, right? So if you know Hari Shabda and Nadi Shabda, then the Shabda is known. Understand? Is it clear? So therefore, only we do the Shabda after Nadi Shabda. You'll understand this. Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Mati Shabdaha.
Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Mati Shabdaha.
Ikaranta, already I have given you homework. Please do it, try. And or you can take from Lalita Sahasranam, you can do also. At least 3-4 Shabdas you do. Take it as practice, for your homework and do it. Matihi, Mati, Matayaha.
Matihi, Mati, Matayaha.
Like what Shabda, what the first and the Pratama Bhakti is?
Hari Shabda.
Hari Shabda. Yeah. Matim, Mati, Mateen.
Matim, Mati,
Matim, Mati, Mateen.
This is also like Hari Shabda, Pullinga, Hareen. Matya, Matibhya, Matibihi.
Matya,
Matya,
Matibhya,
Matibhyam, Matibhihi.
Like what Shabda?
Hari Shabda.
Huh? What Shabda is this?
Nadi Shabda.
Harina.
Here, yeah. Here it is like Matya is like Nadya.
Yeah.
Not like Hari. If it is Hari, then the form should have been
Harina, so Matna.
not Matna. Matina.
Matina.
Here it is not Matina. No, there's no Madina and all here. Yes, Arvind.
Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam is not Matihi.
Oh, yes, it's a mistake. Yeah, I think it's a mistake. Matihi, Mati, Mateha, Matim, Mati, not Matina. Yes. Carried away by what is written, it is. So it is like Nadi Shabdavat. Matihi, Mati, Mateha, Matim, Mati, Matihi. Yes, please note, Jamitam. It's not like Hari Shabda, it's like Nadi Shabda. Matihi only. Yes, that's correct. Sorry. Matya is, okay, from here onwards you will see forms of both. Matya is Srilinga, right? Like Nadi Shabda, Nadya, Matya, Matibhya, Matibihi. Then here we have both. Chaturthi Ekavachanam, form of Ari and form of Nadi. Nadi Shabda. Matye, Matehe, Matibhya, Matibhyaha.
Matye, Matibhya, Matibhyaha.
Matyaha, Matehe, Matibhya, Matibhyaha.
Matyaha, Matehe, Matibhya, Matibhyaha.
Matyaha, Matehe, Matyoho, Matinam.
Matyaha, Matehe, Matyoho,
Matinam.
Matyam, Matau, Matyoho, Matishu.
Matyam, Matau, Matyoho, Matishu.
Hemate, Hemati, Hematayaha.
Hemate, Hemati, Hematayaha.
Okay, how do you decline Nati? Nati is Natihi Namaskaraha. Natihi, instead of Mati, Na, Natihi. Natihi, Nati, Natayaha. Natim, Nati, Natihi. Natya, Natibhyam, Natibihi. Natyai, Nataye, Natibhyaha. Natyaha, Natehe, Natibhyam, Natibhyaha. Natyaha, Natehe, Natyoho, Natinam. Natyam, Natau, Natyoho,
Natishu.
What's the question?
In the Prathama Vibhakti, in the 1 there is a difference, right? It's Matihi, whereas it's Gauri. The Visarga is not there in.
I said it is like Hari Shabda.
That one is okay. The first one alone is Hari. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, Hari Shabda. Combination of those that we have to find out. Matihi, Mati, Matayaha. That's what we learned in the beginning also alone. They say in the beginning itself we have learned Mati Shabda Prathama, if you remember. All the Prathama Vibhaktis of the Shabdas we learned, not the entire Shabda. So there I said it's like Hari Shabda. So here same thing here, Hari Shabda. Combination of Pullinga Hari Shabda and Srilinga Nadi Shabda. So where it is said, you have to find out. Here Nadihi, it's Nadi Shabdavat. And here we have, here also Nadi Shabdavat, Nadya, Natya. And we have 4-1, 5-1, 6-1 and 7-1. Combination of both. I mean, combination means we have two forms, where one form is like Hari Shabda, other form is like Nadi Shabda. Other forms, you can take it as like Hari Shabda, Haribhyam, Haribhyam, Haryoho, Harinam, Harishu, right? Okay, then Buddhi. Buddhihi, Buddhi.
Buddhayaha.
Buddhim, Buddhi.
Buddhihi.
Yeah. Okay, here do you remember one thing? Ikaranta, 2-2, Dvivachananta Shabda, 1-2 and 2-2 are called. Okay, I mean, I think I have not given the name, but we have seen in Sandhi.
Pratibhava.
Prakriti Bhava. Prakrityam it's called. Prakrityam. So, Mati plus followed by vowel. No Sandhi will happen, right? Ikaranta, Ukaranta, and
Ekaranta.
Ekaranta. Sandhi will not happen. Then Buddhya, Buddhibhyam, Buddhibihi.
Buddhyam, Buddhibhyam,
Buddhibhyam, Buddhibihi.
Buddhibihi, not Buddhibihi. Buddhibihi. Matyai, it would be Buddhyai. Mataye?
Buddhaye.
Buddhaye, Buddhibhyam, Buddhibhyaha. Then Matyaha, Buddhyaha, Matehe, Buddhehe.
Buddhibhyam.
Buddhibhyam.
Buddhibhyam. Buddhibhyah.
Buddhyaha. Same thing.
Buddhehe. Buddhyoho.
Budyoho. Buddhinam.
Buddhinam.
Then Buddhyam.
Buddhyam.
Budau.
Buddhau.
Budau. Budau.
Buddhishu.
Budyoho.
Budho.
Buddhyoho.
Budho, not Budho. Budho.
Buddhishu.
Budho, not Budho, right?
Yeah.
Budho. Budyoho. Buddhishu. Then Gati. Gati is movement. Gatihi. Gatihi. Gati. Gatayaha. Same like Nati, Mati, same. Again, some examples here. Buddhi, Nati, Gati, Niti. Niti Shastra, Niti. Nitihi, Srilinga. Kirtihi, Srilinga Shabda. Dhritihi, Srishti. All those words are Srilinga Shabda. Ikaranta, Srilinga Shabda. Rasva Ikaranta. Ikarantaha, Srilinga Shabda form a same. Right? So you can remember this Shabda. Then Sandhi, did you try the homework? Sandhi Vichedaha, it's a long homework, right? I think the last class we did up to this Anujay Chati. First page only, I think we did.
Yes.
Second page. Yes, Arvind, what is the question?
I had a question on a different topic about in the previous class when you spoke about Avasanam. I went through the recording. My question there was Pratar being the Avyaya, Pratar plus Namami. If there is Avasanam, then it becomes Prataha Namami. If there is no Avasanam, then it becomes a Sandhi and it becomes Pratar Namami.
Okay.
My question is, how do we know whether there is Avasanam or not?
Avasanam is pause. Do you, if it is Avasana, if the gap between the words in terms of time, if it is less than half matra, then Sandhi will happen. It means no Avasana. If it is more than half matra, it is a Avasana. If it is more than half matra, then no Sandhi will happen. Avasana means pause between the words or pause between the lines. It's a pause, simple.
It is also Vivaksha of the author.
Vivaksha of the author. Avasana, we don't have any Vivaksha, right? Sandhi only we have Vivaksha. Avaksha, what is the Vivaksha of the Avasana?
No, I'm saying whether the author or the speaker has a choice whether to do the Sandhi or not. Of
course, no. That is Sandhi between the words is optional, right? Sa Vivaksham apekshate. That is not a Vivaksha. That is also. In fact, that's what we chant, no? Sa Vivaksham apekshate is Sandhi between the words, independent words. That is Vivaksha. That depends on the speaker's wish. I can say the sentence having words with Sandhi, without Sandhi. Right? Sandhi between the words are optional. There is no, it's not mandated. So Pratar Namami or Prataha Namami. Even when I say also, it's my wish. I can say Pratar Namami or Prataha Namami. Right? Pratar Namami means there, Repa is there. Repa will become Visarga only when there is Avasana. So there is no Visarga, Pratar Namami when you say. Therefore, we can say that Visarga has not come, means no Avasana, and also not followed by Kar. Therefore, Pratar means not followed by Avasana. Therefore, Pratar Namami, Sandhi is done. You can detect like that. Then Pratah Namami means that Sandhi is not the Avasana is followed by Avasana. That is why Repa is replaced by Visarga. Not because followed by Kar. In fact, not Kar. Kar is not the Namami. Na is not a Kar letter. It has to be Avasana only. Pratah Namami. Okay. Then let us do some Sandhi Vicheda. Adhikarena Vritaha. If you have done, please do at least 1 or 2 pages so that we can discuss in the class. The long homework, I know. Adhikarena, sorry. Andakarena Avritaha.
Andakarena Avritaha.
Andakarena, what vibhakti?
3-1.
3-1.
3-1. Like Rama Shabda. Avrtaha?
1-1.
1-1.
1-1.
Anyani anekani.
Anyani
Anyani anekani.
Anekani.
Anekani. What vibhakti, what vachanam?
Phalani.
One-
Yes.
1-3-2-3.
1-3 or 2-3. Anyani? That is also.
Anyani. Also
Same.
1.
Same. How do you decline Anya Shabda?
Anya is avyayam.
Really? Huh?
Anya.
Ah.
Anya is not avyayam. Anyo anyaha. Va?
If you conclude Avyayam, then what will it
No,
be?
it is not. I just thought about it. I thought Anya is like.
If it is
someone-
Avyayam, then Anyani, how it will be there? Then?
It will not be there, but since you said, then I said it's not, so I looked at Akara, the Pullinga Shabda.
What is the meaning of Anya?
Anya.
Another.
Alternative. Anya.
Another. So it can be, why it is indeclinable then?
Doesn't need to be, yeah.
It's not indeclinable, it is declinable. All the genders. In Pullinga, it is Anyaha, Anyo, Anye. Strilinga, Anya, Anye, Anyaha. Napumsakalinga, Anyam, Anye, Anyani. That's what is here, Anyani plus Anekani, Anyang, Anekani, right?
Yeah.
Is the Shabda
See.
ending, Charanji?
Sorry?
Is it
Akar.
Anya Akaranta Shabda?
Anya, Akarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Anya Shabdaha. Anyani, Aksharani, other letters. Anyani, Pustakani, other books. Right? Anvatishtat.
Anu plus
Atishtat.
What Sandhi?
Atishtat.
Yan.
Ik
Yan
followed
Sandhi.
by
Yan
Ach, Yan Sandhi.
Yan Sandhi. Anu plus Atishtat, Anvatishtat. What is the rule for Yan?
Ik followed by Asavarna Ach.
Yes. Anvaya.
Anu plus Aya.
Anu plus Aya.
Anu plus Aya.
Yan.
Yan
Again
Sandhi.
Yan Sandhi. Anveshanam. Anveshana. Okay.
Anu plus
Yeshana.
2 plus A. Yan.
See, Yeshana is derived from the Ish. Dhat Ish means to desire. Yeshana Trayam, we say no. The Vedanta. Putreshana, Vitteshana, Lokeshana, Three Yeshana Trayam.
Ikshana.
Huh? Yeshana means desire. Yeshana Trayam, we say. Three
Ikshana.
Yeshana, three.
Ikshana.
Not Ikshana. Why Ikshana? Yeshana. Threefold desires. Putreshana, Vitteshana, Lokeshana. Desire for the son, desire for the Loka, desire for the Vitta Dhanam. But here it is Anupurvaka. Therefore, there is no desire. Anveshana means searching. Anveshanam. In Sanskrit Wikipedia, you will see Anveshanam. But yeah, that is search. Search button. Search will be there. Anveshanam. Okay. Api Chasidam.
Api plus idam.
What's
Ichasi
Sandhi?
plus.
Api plus
Savarna Dirgha.
All Savarna Dirgha only.
E plus E plus E.
Api Tyartaha.
Api
Api
plus
plus
Ityartha.
Plus Atyartha.
Savarna Dirgha.
First part is Savarna Dirgha, second part is Yanu.
N.
Yan Sandhi. Api plus Iti plus Artaha. So by being familiar with Ityartaha and all slowly, without thinking, you would be able to see what it is mean. Because you have come across this word many times, Ityartaha, Yan Sandhi. Even in dream you ask, you will tell Ityartaha, Iti plus Artaha. You are so much familiar with the words. You will not even think also. Right? So when your language develops, so you will see it so clearly. You may not be able to appreciate the words now, but later when you become familiar, you will see. Like now you see Ityartaha. Is there any difficulty in that? No. Same thing. Same way. So now you may see certain words little difficult. It's okay. That's why that's why I've marked here the yellow. That Sandhi has happened there. Suppose if it is not there, would you be able to split it?
Api plus Ataha.
No, I'm just asking, not this word. I'm just asking the words in this list.
Little difficult, Charanji.
Little difficult, yeah. Okay. Apyataha.
Api
plus
plus
Ataha.
Yan Sandhi.
Ataha.
Yan.
Apyastyayam. Suppose if this yellow highlight is not there, then what will happen? Would be able to split.
Asti ayam.
Plus I am.
But all the words you are familiar with. Asti, you know. Api, you know. Ayam also, you know, right? Api
Yes.
plus asti, what sandhi?
Yan.
Yan
Yan
sandhi.
Sandhi.
Yan
Asti
Sandhi.
plus ayam,
Yan Sandhi.
again yan sandhi. Abhyantara,
Abhi.
P plus antaram.
Abhi
plus
plus
antaram.
antaram.
yan sandhi.
Yan Sandhi.
Ashnatyanam,
Ashnati plus Annam.
Ashnati
Ashnati
plus
plus
Annam.
Annam.
Yan.
Ashnati is Kriya Padam. Ashnati means eats.
Eat.
Annam, food.
Food.
He eats annam. It's a sentence in fact. Ashnatyanam means he eats annam, he eats food. It's a sentence. Astyatma.
Asti
plus
Asti plus Atma.
Yan.
Atma asti. This is also a sentence. Asti plus Atma, Astyatma. Atma plus asti,
Atma.
Atma asti.
Asti.
Savana dirgha sandhi.
Savana dirgha.
Asma swapyasti.
Asmasu plus
Asmasu
api.
plus Api plus
Asti
Asti.
plus Asti.
Very good. Asmasu. What is asmasu? We have not seen. We'll see. Asmasu is Asmat Shabda Saptami Bhagavachanam. Very important Shabda, Asmat and Ishmat. You need to know by heart. We'll see that later. It's kept at the end. Asmasu plus Api plus
Api plus Asti.
what sandhi? One sandhi alone.
Yan.
Same. Yan
Yan.
sandhi.
Yan
Both
Sandhi.
Yan Sandhi.
Here also
No, generally-
asmas. Generally.
Yeah, generally, when this yakara or vakara, or generally if it comes as a Sanyutta Akshara, immediately we can identify it is Yan Sandhi and we can
Yes,
just
yes,
reverse
yes.
engineer and identify.
See the following one. If you can remove the vowel from here, right?
Yeah.
The vowel part and join with the following one. If you get a meaningful word, as you said, it has to be Yan Sandhi alone. Understand?
Siva.
Vakara, yakara, you said it will be there, and that will be along with the vowel, right? The vowel you join with the following the words or letter. Then if it makes a meaningful word, then it has to be Yan Sandhi. Like here, asma sviva is there.
Asmasu plus Iva.
You remove it and join with the verb. E plus
Iva.
Iva, the word is there. And
Yes.
therefore Vakara must have come in the place of
U.
Ukara.
So,
So Asmasu. There only you need to find out whether it is Rasva Ukara or Dirgha Ukara. Right? So that, when you are familiar with the words of the language, you know whether it's Rasva or Dirgha. Asmasu only is that. There is no Asmasu.
It's not there.
Asmasu is Saptami Eka Bhagavachanam of Asmat Shabda. We will learn that.
Yes.
Asmasu. Right?
Yeah.
Then Asmyahamiti.
Asmi aham
plus
iti.
Aham plus Iti.
Here there is no Sandhi. Okay, just to mark it here.
Joining.
is Yan
Yeah, Asmi plus Aham, of course, Sandhi. Yan
and then
Sandhi.
Melanam.
It is Melanam, just
Melanam.
Melanam. Agama Payinaha.
Agama
Agama plus
Apayana.
Ayina.
Apayin. Apayin.
This is like Karin Shabda. I don't know Kari, Karino, Karinaha. Agama Payi. Agama Payinau. Agama Payinaha. It is Bhagavachanam of, please listen, Nakaranta Agama Payin Shabda. Okay. Agama Payinaha is Bhagavachanam. Like we have one more word is the last word I told. What is that? Atatayi. That is also the second chapter of the Gita. Atatayi, Atatayinau, Atatayinaha. One who has committed all the 4 crimes is called Atatayi. Similarly, Agama Payi. The compound. Agama plus Apayi, Agama Payin Shabda. Right? And we know in the Samhitayam, in a compound, Samase, Sandhi, Samhita, Nitya Bhavati. Sandhi is a must. Okay. So we saw Shashi Shabda, Shashin, Karin, Agama Payin, then Atatayin, then Vidyartin, Vidyarti, Vidyartino, Vidyartinaha, all are Nakaranta Shabda. We'll learn that Shabda later. So
This
many
is
Shabdas.
Agama plus Apayina. Sharanji?
Agama plus Apayin.
Dirga
Agama.
Agama.
Huh?
Agama. Ma Dirga?
No, not Dirga. Rasno.
Agama.
Agama.
Hmm.
Agama means not Shastra. Agama means what comes. Apai means what goes. Coming and going.
Okay.
Matra Sparshasthu Kaunteya Shitoshna Sukha Dukkadaha Agamapayino Nityaha. They are Agam, they are coming up, they are of the nature of coming and going, right? Okay, Acharyopadesha.
Acharya.
Acharya plus Upadesha.
What Sandhi?
Guna.
Guna Sandhi.
Atmeti.
Atma.
Atma plus iti.
Atma plus iti. There is no word Atma.
Atma plus iti.
This is also Nakaranta Shabda. See, Karina also Nakaranta. But declension is Kari, Karino, Karinaha. Atmana also Nakaranta Shabda. But declension is Atma, Atmano, Atmanaha. We will learn those Shabdas later. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Atma. Don't think it as Akaranta Srilinga Shabda, Atma Shabdaha. No. It is Atman Nakaranta Shabda. Okay. We'll just to note this. So this later when we see Nakaranta Shabda, then becomes clear.
Same with Brahman also.
Yeah, Brahman also Nakaranta Shabda. But Brahman can be declined in both the genders. That is Pullinga as well as in Napumsakalinga. The meaning is different. Pullinga, if you say Brahman, referring to Brahmaji, Chaturmukha Brahma, Hiranyagarbha. Brahma, Brahmano, Brahmanaha. Declension is different in Pullinga. And in Srilinga, Napumsakalinga, Brahman is Sachidananda Brahma. Brahma, Brahmani, Brahmani. Declensions are different. Okay. Atma, Atmana, Atmanaha, Brahma, Brahmano, Brahmanaha, Pullinga, therefore declensions are same. Atman is Pullinga. There is no Napumsakalinga Atman, whereas Brahman can be declined in both the genders. And they have different meanings. Pullinga referring to Hiranyagarbha. Napumsakalinga referring to Sachidananda Brahma. Ananda Vasaraha.
Ananda plus Avasara.
Avasarata.
Okay. The third page you please try. What is that?
Savarna Dirgha.
Stavana Dirgha Sandhi. Third page you try. Okay. If there any difficulty, you can do it. Right? We'll stop here. Any doubt with regard to that Sakara Ru that we have not discussed? Just given some introduction. We'll be seeing that later. All the sandhis, remember what is Ak followed by Savarnak? What sandhi?
Savarna Dirgha.
Savarna Dirgha.
H followed by H.
Ik followed by H.
H letter.
Ayadi.
Ayadi. And Ik followed by H.
Yan.
Avarna followed by H letter.
Vriddhi.
Yang letter followed by Padanta Yang followed by Rasva. Padam beginning with Rasva. Pururupa. Then Avarna followed by Ik letter.
Guna.
Right? These are seven sandhis. Of course, Yakara Lopa happens for the Padanta Yakara, Vakara. When followed by a vowel. Padanta Yakara, Vakara becomes Lopa. When followed by a consonant, when followed by a vowel, the Lopa is optional. Lopa of Yakara, Vakara is optional. Whereas when followed by a consonant, it is a must. You don't have choice. You have to do the Lopa of Yakara, Vakara. Okay. When followed by vowel, the Lopa, Padanta Yakara, Vakara, Lopa is optional. When followed by a consonant, it is a must. Understand? Ali Sarvesham Sutram is there. And remember how the Visarga is born. Padanta Sakara becomes Ru. Ru is, what type of Ru is? Okay, Ru is nothing but Repa. Repa will What type of repa is this? Sakara Sthanika repa. Repa which has come in the place of Sakara. Why I'm saying this? To differentiate from the repa which is there in the Avyaya and other places. Swabhavika repa. Any repa will become Visarga. When? Followed by Avasana or
Kar letter.
Kar letter. The last class we saw, no? Kar letter, we classify the Kar letter into, the divisions.
Yes.
Among the Kar letter, the 13 Kar letters are there. Among the 13 Kar letters, Ka, Kha, Pa, Pa, that we saw. Where the Visarga, which is the repa which is replaced by Visarga. That Visarga will be optionally. It will be Upadmaniya when followed by Pakara or Pakara, or it will be Vikvamolia when followed by Kakara or Kakara, right? We saw. So that's why we have Pratah Patati or Prataha Patati. You should not say Pratar Patati. Please note, okay? Pratar Patati is not correct. You have to say Pratar Namami. That's fine. Whereas Pratar Patati, why?
Kar.
Followed by Kar.
Followed by Kar.
Kar letter.
Yes.
Either it is taken as Avasana or followed by Kar. Repa will become Visarga. Optionally, it can become Upatmaniya. That symbol of Visarga. Okay. This is half Visarga. Don't think it is parenthesis. Huh? This is half Visarga. You have to, I think we discussed this before. Visarga is like this, right? Then half of the top and half of the circle here, you remove it. What do you have?
Yes.
So you have like this. That's what Visarga, Ardha Visarga. This Ardha Visarga is called Jikhamuliya when followed by the Kar letter of the Kavarga. What are they?
Ka or Kha.
First two letters. This is called Upadmaniya when followed by Kar letter of the Pavarga.
Pa or Pha.
Pa. Okay. So, Repa becomes Visarga. So, therefore, what is the origin? Sakara is the origin, no? Padanta Sakara becoming Repa. Or, Padanta Sakara becoming Repa, Repa becomes Visarga. The Repa which becomes Visarga could be either due to the Swabhavika Repa or Sakara Sthanika Repa. Swabhavika Repa, example, Pratar, Namami, etc. You can take those example. Punaravriti, Antar, all those things we saw. And this once becomes the repa, then after that, when it is followed by Kar letter, the repa will be replaced by Sakara with the exception of these four. Ka, Kha, Pa, Pa, right? Then what are left out among the 13? 4 are removed. Then we have this 9. This is what the last class we saw. One is Chavarga letter, palatal, dental, and cerebral, right? Then this we saw the last class. When followed by dental, what will happen to this Visarga? Visarga when followed by Kar letter, it is replaced by Sakara. Therefore, we have Ramastarati, Ramastakara. When followed by Shar letter is there in all the three, right?
Yes.
When followed by Shar letter, Shar is a subset of Kar. Then replacement of Visarga by Sakara is optional. Therefore, we have Ramaha plus Tarati is equal to Ramastarati or Ramaha Sarati, right? Is it clear? And what will happen to this three, this palatal and cerebral? We'll see in the next class. Okay, don't worry about it. Just the same thing I repeated what I told in the last class. This we will see next class. Okay. Any doubts here? Please ask.
Is there an equivalent translation to mind blown in Sanskrita?
What is the?
Mind blown in Sanskrita.
Mind blown. Vispotaha. Vispotaha is a bomb, explosion.
What is happening now?
Antakarana Vispotaha. Mana Vispot. Mano Vispotaha. Or you had say something like that. Okay. Bomb is Vispota.
We should consider renaming the group by that name.
Vispota, Praspota. Okay. This is not yet over. Actually, when you will see these three combinations, why I'm not doing, because so many things are there here to discuss with. It comes under a different sandhi. In fact, sandhi, that is, we have to discuss elaborately that one. That's why I'm not discussing. We don't have time now. Just to summarize, looked at what we have seen before. This we will see later. Okay, then I will add the summary you have now. In the summary, only vowel sandhis are there in the summary. Now we can add that's repa, Visargasya Jananam. I have not added, I will add. Okay, fine. Any doubts? So Shabda, please memorize. Shabda Jnanam is very important. I thought of introducing Kriya Padam, maybe next class. We'll see. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha, Sharanji.
Do you have any, if you or your friends, if you have any idea about following which book for Sanskritam, you can do. Generally, I follow the Infant Reader and Anton that book, volume 1 and 2, which already I have sent all these books. There are so many books are there. Bhandarkar is there, and other books are there. Whichever book if you have any wish to follow, you can do. Because already I have done in other classes. Infant Reader, in fact, in Reader 1, Reader 2, and all, I completed everything. I've already done many rounds of that same book. We can do it again. It's not a problem for me. If you have any other suggestion for any other book, you can do it.
How is this Medha Michika's book, Sharanji?
Yeah, it's a good book, but it's grammar. But I'm talking about the language exercises and all. Medha Michika books is about the grammar she has given. That is also a good book only. She has done put a lot of effort in preparing that. Yes, it's a good one. You will understand if you read a Sandhi. If you read our books, you will understand now. The beginning you may find difficult, but after now you can understand. You can follow that.
Even I also came across Chitrapur Mutt's some documents. That is also good.
That is also good, yes. So textbook I'm talking about. Infant Reader is what we follow in the Gurukulam, Anton and all. Volume 1 and Volume 2. There are other books like one book is what's the name of the book? 4 volumes. It's a thin one only. I don't think it's a big one. Sanskrita Bodhaha or something. Book is there. I have the hard copy. I don't have the soft copy. But if you have to can buy, then we can use. Or Madhavaram Deshpande book is there. But it is published, available in US. I don't know whether available in India. Madhavaram Deshpande book. If you have, it's okay. Otherwise, if you are fine, we will do Infant Reader to start with, the textbook. Of course, the Rashtriya some books are there. That also we will do. A lot of exercises from that. All the volumes. Okay, we'll discuss
Even
about
this NCERT books also will help, right?
Yeah,
the
will
school
help.
kids used to.
Yes. NCERT, it's not for kids. If you see, it's not for kids. You need to know the language to know that. The beginning lessons are easy. Suddenly the standard increases. Infant Reader is good to start with. After that, I think we can think of other books. Okay. If you have any wish, any idea, any book you want to do, you can suggest. We can do all that also. I'm open.
Okay.
Other you should know books, right? What book? Maybe you may be knowing. I don't know. You can just or your friends, whatever it is. Infant Reader I have done so many times. There is a separate playlist. Is there Infant Reader? The same Infant Reader. All the lessons, 30 lessons are there. I have done in Kartari and Karmani. all the different prayoga and all possibility. Each sentence is discussed and put it in various formats. Done. And in reader 1 I have done, reader 2 I have done, and volume 1 and 2 that is also done. So I thought of it, you can take up any new book. Madhuram Deshpande, I can show you. It's not available in India. This is a book. Madhuram Deshpande. This is a book. Good book only. A lot of exercises, translations are there. You can do this. But I'm not sure whether it's available in India. This is from US publication. Publication rules. Okay. Can stop here. Dhanyavada.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸರ್.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು, ಪರಂಜಿ.
Dhanyavada.